What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you this coffee table I made using some 4x4s, some 2x2s, and 2x10s. So I made this coffee table from the 731 Woodworker, I believe. I watched this video 150 times, so I should know exactly what it is. But anyway, he got plans from somewhere else and made the coffee table, and I liked it a lot, so I decided I was gonna make one too, and turned out great. His looked beautiful. We did the same thing he did, except for my wife didn't want the distressed look because we don't really have that theme in our house. So we just I just painted it that biscuit white, or whatever they call it, biscuit. I'll get the name put in the description. But anyway, so that's what I did, and I won't show you. You'll have to watch the video and see. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you like it. Enjoy, make it, build it. It's fun. Push yourself to do stuff that you don't normally do, and you'll love it. I'm proud. I love it. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Gracias. Also, let me add that I am a cook for a living, and I don't normally build stuff with wood. So this is actually the second thing that I've built. I mean, I've built little things here and there, like a handful of things in my life. But the first one was these wine boxes. That you can, wine cubes, whatever you want to call them. You can fit 24 bottles of wine in there. And then I just jumped straight into this coffee table. So it took me about 2 days to do. Probably would have went better if I knew what I was doing, or faster, but yeah. So that's it. You never know until you try.